Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Homes. Want to watch live football, cricket, UFC, NBA, Formula 1, and more on your FireStick for free? Then this video is exactly what you need. Today I'll show you how to watch live sports on FireStick using the best free sports apps in 2026. Disclaimer: before we begin, here's a quick disclaimer. Some third-party apps may provide access to copyrighted content. Always stream content legally and responsibly. Step 1. Enable apps from unknown sources. First, we need to prepare the FireStick for installing third-party apps. 1. Go to Settings. 2. Select My Fire TV. 3. Open Developer Options. 4. Click Install Unknown Apps. 5. Turn on Downloader. Step 2. Install Downloader app. Now let's install the Downloader app. 1. Go to the FireStick home screen. 2. Open Find. 3. Select Search. 4. Type Downloader. 5. Install the Orange Downloader app. Best free sports apps for FireStick, 2026, App1, SportsFire. First up is SportsFire, one of the most popular free sports streaming apps in 2026. Live football, cricket, NFL, NBA. App 2, Rapid Streams. Next is Rapid Streams, sports channels, international TV, cricket streams. App 3, HD Streams. Another excellent app is HD Streams. Hundreds of live TV channels, sports networks, cricket channels, news and entertainment. It's lightweight and works smoothly even on older FireStick devices. Conclusion: if this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more FireStick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.